Okay, today we are going to do a test called the spray impact test, and we're going to perform it on the Lynx Tuff Cat material. And basically we take 500 milliliters of distilled water, and we've put red food coloring in it just so you can see whether or not the liquid penetrates it. We'll pour the liquid in the funnel, and there is a shower head, and the liquid will spray down on top of the Lynx fabric, which will have a piece of blotter paper at a known basis weight, and we'll see how much penetration we get on the liquid. Alright, go ahead. It's just a 1 pound weight hanging from it to keep tension on the fabric. And you can see the red colored distilled water being sprayed on top of the fabric. And obviously the goal here is to not have any penetration. Okay, that's the end of the test. And let's see if we've had any penetration onto the blotter paper. Tremendous amount of penetration, so based on this I would say that this fabric shouldn't be used in applications where you want to have barrier 2 liquids.